Hi, my name's Ruth. I'm physiotherapist at Complete Pilates. Are you wondering how Pilates might be able to help you recover from illness? Recovery from illnesses such as cancer, heart disease, or stroke requires specialist rehab. And this often needs to be on an individual basis to you and what your body needs and what your goals are in your recovery. As I'm sure you know, although the illness or the treatment you've had or the surgery might only affect one area of your body, often the whole of our body and our health and well-being are affected by the treatment process. Here at Complete Pilates, many of us are physiotherapists, and we're all extensively trained in clinical Pilates. That means that we're able to individually assess you, taking into account your medical history, the treatment that you've had or might be having ongoing or in the future, and looking at your body and your well-being individually. So what your movement is like, what your strength is like, what areas you need to work on and improve, and how that's going to be appropriate for you in conjunction with treatment that you may be having at the same time. We liaise with and work closely with your doctors, your GP, your surgeon, to make sure that what we're doing is going to complement your treatment and help to take you through the process of recovery and help you to achieve your goals after illness. If you've got any specific questions around this, your illness or your treatment, or how you can include Pilates in your recovery program, then do get in touch. You can get us on the phone or you can email us on info@complete-pilates.co.uk. We look forward to seeing you in the studio soon.